going to draw Peter, who is the best friend of Heidi, which we draw yesterday. So let's start drawing. So for water we need to draw. We need a pencil, then we need a scale, then we need a sharpener and a rubber. Then what else we need for coloring? We need a pen sketch, we need a sketch pen, and we need a color pencil. So let's start. So guys, if your face has to be perfect, you can draw a small box here. Like here one like this, then here one other sleeping line, here one other one, here another one. It should be like a shape almost like a cuboid. So let's start drawing. So next we are going to draw the face. For the face we should draw a U shape here. So let's start drawing. First let's draw two U's like this over here. Then we can connect the face like this. Then after that you can rub out the lines which we draw. You can draw the box very lightly, so we can rub it out so easily. Next what we are going to draw is the eyes. So let's start drawing. First you have to draw two big eyeballs just like how we draw it for Lily. Here one and here one. Then after drawing the eyeballs, let's start drawing the pupils. So we have to draw one big pupil here and one tiny small one here. Like that, let's copy here. Then we can color the in with black color. So let's start coloring with black. Come on, let's go. So the next two steps are we are going to draw the mouth and the nose. So first let's draw the nose. It's just like how we draw it for Heidi. And the mouth just like how we draw it for Heidi also. A slanting U and a sleeping line here. So we finished drawing half of the face. So next we are going to draw Peter's eyebrows. So for that we have to draw two curves here. Is Peter a girl to draw eyelashes? No way. He's a boy. So let's draw for him eyebrows. Next we are going to draw his hair and hat. His hair is brown in color and his hair is so nicely kept. So let's make a line with our scale here so that the hair will be in same line. Just lightly a line like this. And let's keep our scale back. Now let's start drawing. It's like some V shapes, wave shapes and all. First like this here, then like this, again like that, like this, like that, like this. The same pattern only, we just keep on doing it. And here one big one and we end the hair. Now we are going to draw his hat. Before drawing the hat, let's rub out the line which we did. It's a bit hard to rub out the line because we are drawing the hair with a pencil and the line is drawn with a pencil. So maybe when we rub, the hair will little go. So you have to be careful when you rub the line which we draw there. So next what we are going to draw is we are going to draw the hat. So how does his hat look like? It's kind of like a shape of ice cream cone. So let's start drawing. His hat is not like hats like circle shapes. It's kind of like a bit cowboy hat kind of. So let's start drawing. We make a shape like this and he has a kind of design. It's a design which is like this it's a border for his hat. Then he has a line in his hat. So that line we have to draw it lightly because we have to draw a stone there. Some kind of stone, we don't know that stone. So let's draw it. So then we draw the stone, it's an oval shape. Then you can draw some lines in the stone to make it look real. It's too small, so maybe you guys can see. And now let's draw the line. We can give the line in black or grey color. That let's give when we color it. Now next, what we are going to draw is we are going to draw his hair and his neck and his dress. We'll draw his hand afterwards. So we finished half of his face. Now let's go to his neck. Neck is also a part of a face. Just like how we draw it for Heidi, let's draw a V shape for the neck. So we finished drawing the neck. Now let's start drawing the dress. His dress is yellow color with a dark orange bow, which we colored for yesterday. For Lily, we colored a dark orange and one light yellow, no? That yellow only. So let's start drawing. First you have to draw one hand like this, and you have to draw a thin place like this and one another here. Let's make ourselves a dot this side just like it, so that we will not change the place. In his another hand he is holding a stick. That stick he uses for the goats to come here. When he does like this with that stick, the goats come. So for that let's draw here. If we draw like this, he's holding the stick downwards? No. So we have to stop it here. Then let's go here like this. And like that. That's how we did for here. We can do it here like this. Then we can bring it here. And close. Here also close for his hand. And how do we draw here? I know. We draw it like this way. Now let's draw his bow. His bow is just like the bow which we draw for Heidi in her dress, but it's not in the middle, it's in the side. If you want to draw it in the middle, you can draw, but better is drawing it in the sideways. Then you have to draw two stitchings inside the bow. Then you can draw a collar for his dress and stitchings inside the collar too. Just to look realistic. So we finished drawing his body. So let's draw one more design for his hand, how we draw for Lily a bangle. But this is not a bangle, it's a kind of design. So now we are going to draw the hand. Let's draw the hand in the last because we don't know where the leg will end. So let's connect this dress together, and just like how we did to the collar and for his hand, let's give one here too. Now let's draw his leg and his feet. So we have to make ourselves a line very lightly till where the leg should go. So let's make it. So till here our leg should go. So how do we draw? Yeah, I know. We have to draw it like this one line. When we color black, that line will not be seen, but still it will be seen a bit. Then we have to draw like this cone, ice cream cone shape. Then should we make his leg stand like this or straight? He's a cow, not cow, I mean goat. So let's draw it like this way. His leg could be too big. So let's draw it this way. This is good. He's a goat general. Some bad children are there in Lily called Call and Teresa. And one more is there. I don't know his name, I just forgot it. So now let's start drawing the feet. Those bad children's call Peter Billy Goat. That's a kind of funny name. That's what they call them. Now let's draw ourselves 2 lines. So we finished drawing his legs. So next we are going to draw his hand and the stick. For the stick maybe we need a scale. So first let's draw his hand. First let's draw this hand. We need to draw one thumb finger just like how we draw for Lily. Just we need 3 fingers. If you want you can draw like pale hand. So I'm going to draw like pale hand for this time. So the first and the second finger, and the third finger is too long. Then let's draw the fourth, and the fifth is the smallest baby finger, let's call it. Now we have to draw the stick, then we have to draw the hand in the stick. So first we have to take the measure of where is the shoe ending. Let's make ourselves a dot. Then let's start from here, a long stick. No need to draw the stick with the scale. You can draw it with your own free hand because the stick is made of wood, so it can be a bit like this kind of, should be a bit wobbly kind of. And let's end it here. So like that, let's make like this one. It should be like wobbly. Then let's start. We're going up. We reached here, then we have to draw a circle just like how we drew for his head. I think so these circles are a kind of precious stones. Then we have to draw a small bow here, like the stones are tied up. Then we can give a place like this to color some lightish brown. For his hand, we are going to just draw like this only, but not like this way, like this way. So the thumb finger, the other finger, the tall finger, and this finger and the smallest finger. So this make look it like he's holding the stick like this way, like how I hold the pencil like this. So we finished drawing Peter. So let's start coloring. For coloring Peter, we need the following colors. So let's start looking the colors. So for the dress, we need a yellow color. So let's mark wherever we have to color yellow. Yellow. And don't forget, we have to also color for the hat yellow. Then all of the stones we need to color it grey. Here also one stone is there. Then did you remember that we put something here in the stony place to tie and keep it? So there we can give all the shades of the greens that you have, every green. Then for the stick, let's see, let's give here fully brown, and let's give light brown here. Then let's move these colors. This light orange, let's give it for his hat border, and for his hand or dress border we can give it. Then the dark orange which you have to give it to the bow, just like how you gave to Lily. Then the black for his dress, black for his dress. And let's see. Then let's give this color here. And don't forget, one more we have to give. Where is that color gone? Let me see. Yeah, got it. Grey. I forgot to show it to you. We have to color grey like a shadow here. That I'll show you afterwards how to color grey as the shadow. So let's start coloring. So I forgot that we have to color peach for the face and the hands and for the neck. Then one more thing we have to do, brown for the hair like this. So let's start coloring. The first color which we are going to color is the dark orange. I told you we have to color the color in the bowl. Let's start coloring. Now we are going to give grey for the stones. Let's start coloring. So first let's color this stone. So next we are going to color this stone. Come on, let's color. We are going to color the stitch on his hat and in the stick. The stitch is made of leaves. So we have to give a shade. So how to give the shade is that first you have to color green, the lightest green that you have. Second, you can add a bit darker green. Third, you can add the darkest green that you have. Then if you have, you can add some dark brown too to make it look like it's a real leaf. So let's start coloring. So next we are going to color the border of the hat and the stitches on the dress. So let's start coloring. Nice orange, I love it. I'm going to finish fast. Like how I told you before, let's go and color the stitches of the dress. Let's color it light orange how we colored for the hat border. So let's start coloring. Next we are going to color Peter's hat with yellow color. This yellow is too small, so I'll take another yellow for me to color the big one. Let's start coloring. Ooh, yellow is so bright. So next let's color his dress with yellow color. Before I told you yellow is bright, and where Heidi and Peter lives, the sunshine is too bright. That's why people put yellow dresses in summer vacation and all. So next we are going to color his hair. So let's use dark brown and light brown. So this is the pattern to color the hair. First you have to color one dark brown and then one light brown. You can keep on coloring the same pattern because he's standing in the sunlight. How would it have been? But now it's cold, so we can't go out. So next we are going to color the stick. Just like how we color the hair, we are going to color the stick. So this light brown, let's color here. I drawed a space for the sunlight to come. Now the other places, let's color the dark brown. Ooh, brown is so dark. Ooh, I have many blues. I colored the darkest blue for the shoes. Ooh, this blue is so dark. I'm going to start coloring the shoe. So next we are going to color black for the pants. So let's start coloring. Before that, wait. This black is too dark. How do I see? Where did I draw the line? Let me check out coloring that. Oh, I can't see the line even. Black is too dark, guys. So before coloring peach, we have to color the eyebrows brown, just like how we colored for Heidi yesterday with the dark brown sketch pen. Now we are going to color the mouth with red color sketch pen, and let me see, nothing else to color with the sketch pens. So let's start coloring with the peach color. It's a bit light peach. Wow, peach, I love it. So next we are going to color the shadow. Before coloring the shadow, we have to draw a light circle. So first let's draw a small light circle for the stick. Then let's draw for Peter the big light circle. Now let's start coloring. After coloring gray, let's rub out this circle. Gray is too light when we color for the shadow. So we have finished drawing our whole picture. Now we have to outline with the sketch pens. You have to outline with the following colors. So we need yellow, then dark orange, black, then we need brown, we need gray, we need dark green, then we need dark blue. So let's start coloring.
Let's do it.
So first we have to outline for the dress and the hat with yellow color. Come on, let's start. Next we are going to color the dark orange for the bow. So next we are going to outline the stones, his precious stones. Next we are going to color dark blue for the shoes. Come on, let's start. Ooh, nice blue. Next we are going to outline the stick and the hair with dark brown color. So let's start. Next we are going to draw the green leaf stitches on the hat and on his stick. So let's start. Ooh, nice green. So next we are going to outline the pants with black color. Because I don't have peach color sketch pen, I'm not coloring. So let's start outlining. So guys, we have finished drawing and coloring our picture. Hope you all liked it. Tell us if you liked it in the comment section. So guys, please sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Also like and share our video. See you in the next episode guys. Bye.